you guys can appear offline to certain people on Messenger. Now for this, you need to turn on Messenger on your PC, on your desktop, because it's not going to work on your phone, all right? Because on your phone, you can turn off your activity status to all the people, not certain people, all right? We want to remain offline for only certain people. So that's how what we are going to do. So first, you want to open Facebook. You want to click on your Messenger icon over here and click on CL Messenger. Once you're on your Messenger over here, you want to click on this three dot. And then click on Preferences. And then you want to click on Turn Off Activity Status. Now from over here, you want to enter the list of the person to whom you want to, remain offline for. So you want to enter the name of the person over here like this. If I go for 𝐘𝐨𝐿 and click on OK, then I'm going to be remain offline for 𝐘𝐨𝐿. To all the other people, I'm going to be online. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. Now to remove his name, I can just click on this three dot, Preferences, turn on activity status, and then cross 𝐘𝐨𝐿 and click on OK. And it should be done. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it.